Welcome to this session of CT1. In this session, we'll be learning about the interest rates. Primarily, there are three types of interest rates. We have the simple rate of interest, we have the compound rate of interest, and the third one is the force of interest. Out of these three, these two are very common. A lot of students have previously learned simple interest and compound interest, those who have done maths in their lower classes. Force of interest is, however, relatively new to most of the students who are learning financial mathematics for the first time. Initially, let us discuss about these both interest rates. As the session proceeds, we will also learn about what is the force of interest. Let's try to understand. What does simple interest mean? Simple interest means the interest that is chargeable on the amount that was initially deposited by the investor. Let us say I have an investor who has deposited ₹1,000, okay, for 3 years, okay, at a rate of 10% per annum. Now what will happen? Let's have a look at this. In the first year, he has invested a capital of 1,000. Interest is being charged at 10%. That means 10% of 1,000. I can directly say my interest is going to be 100 rupees. Correct? So my accumulated fund, my accumulated value after the end of the first year will be 1,100. Okay. Let's go to the second year now. In the second year, my accumulated value is what is at the start of my year. My previous year's closing value is my starting value of the next year. But for simple interest, okay, now this is simple interest, okay. For simple interest, the interest is being charged for the initial capital deposited. Okay, initially my capital was 1,000 rupees, so in my second year also my interest rate will be 100. My accumulated amount will come to 1,200. Let's have a look at the third year. 1,200 is my accumulated amount. Since it is simple interest, my interest will remain 100. Okay, and my accumulated amount will go to 1,300. So this is simple interest. It's a very easy concept. I don't think there is anything confusing in this. Now let's have a look at the compound interest. This is the compound interest. Same question remains the same, except for it was simple interest for the first year, for the first section. Second section is going to be compound interest. After my first year, in my first year, the deposited amount is still ₹1,000. Interest is at 10% on 1,000. Okay, 100 rupees, 1,100. The first year remains the same, whether it is your simple interest or whether it is your compound interest. For the first year, the amounts do not change. Because what does compound interest say? Compound interest says the rate of interest will be chargeable not on the capital invested but on the beginning amount, the initial amount every year. The amount that you have at the start of every period, on that amount, that means the accumulated amount of the previous period, on that amount your interest will be chargeable. That means in my second year, okay, interest will be chargeable 10% only, but not on the initial capital. Interest will be chargeable on the current capital. Okay, that means on the present value of the capital. So it will become 110 rupees because 10% of 1,100 is 110. Now what is my accumulated amount going to be? It will become 1,210. Notice the difference. 1,200 and 1,210 over here. Understand the difference. Why? Because the interest, okay, that I earned See, this is the interest, 100 rupees is the earned interest. In the simple interest, the interest that I earn is ignored while calculating my interest. I earned extra 100 rupees, but the bank says no. For simple interest, the 10% will be charged on your original amount, not on the interest that you earned. In this, on the total amount, the interest is being charged. That is why it is 110. So basically, when we go to the third year, I have a starting capital of 1210. Okay? 10% of this will give me 121. See, look at the difference. 100 rupees over here, 121 rupees over here. Are you understanding? So, for my final amount, my 121, my interest is going to be added to my present value and I will be getting 1331 rupees. That means I have earned 31 rupees extra by changing it from simple interest to compound interest. Okay, I hope you are understanding the concepts of these both. Now let's try to learn about accumulated value, how to calculate that value directly without drawing the entire table. First of all, understand what is accumulated value, also called as the future value. Okay, you can use both these terms interchangeably, they mean the same. Now pay attention. Your future value, okay, is nothing but your present value multiplied by the accumulation factor. Okay, your future value, that means your accumulated value means your present value, the amount that you have at the beginning of the period, should be multiplied by accumulated factor. We will be studying about accumulated factors. But first, get this formula straight, get this formula in your head clearly, because as an actuarial science student, you will be using this particular formula n number of times. So make sure you get this particular formula absolutely clear and straight in your head. Okay? This can be twisted to get the formula of accumulated factor as future value upon your present value. You know, innumerable possibilities you have by interchanging the values. But so since this formula is clear, let us first try to understand what is your accumulation factor. It is different for your simple interest as well as your compound interest. Accumulation factor means, okay, the amount with which the number, the numerical value with which I need to multiply my present value in order to get the future value. Present value है मेरे पास. Let us say I have a present value of 10,000 rupees. I want to know if I am receiving 12% interest per annum, what will be my amount after 5 years? Okay, so what do I need to do? I need to take my 10,000 and multiply it with an accumulation factor in order to get the accumulated value or the future value. Okay, now it entirely depends upon which rate of interest we will be using. Will it be simple interest or compound interest? Let's try to have a look at both of them. Now, simple interest says your formula is 1 plus ni, okay, and compound interest says it is 1 plus I to the power n. Let us test the validity of this. 1 plus ni, let us say if I have this for 1 year, okay, so I'll be having 1 plus I, over here I'll be having 1 plus I to the power 1, again 1 plus I. See, notice, you will see that both of these are equal. For the first year, you will notice both of these are equal, but you can get back to our previous sum and notice both of the first year value, accumulated value was equal. Are you understanding? For first year, both of them remain equal. What happens for the second year? Let us say we will take this example itself. Okay, so it becomes 1 plus. My interest rate is 10%. So I don't need to add 10 over here. 10%. Percent means 10 upon 100. That is 0.1. Okay. So for second year, if I am talking, it will become 2 into. Okay, because 1 plus ni, right? And second year ke liye n becomes 2. So 1 plus 2 into 0.12. 1 plus 0.2 is 1.2. So if I am multiplying 1.2 with 100 rupees, okay, with 1000 rupees, what am I going to get? 1200. Okay, I hope it's clear. By multiplying 1000 into 1.2, I will be getting 1200. Let's talk about compound interest. It becomes 1000 into, okay, the accumulated factor will be 1.1 squared. Now if you go on to square your 1.1, you will be getting 1.21. You can use your scientific calculators or any other calculator for that matter. If you square it, you will get 1.21 multiplied with 1000. So you were supposed to get 1210, and that is exactly the amount that we are getting over here. I hope this is clear. So you can do it for any number of years. N can be anything. By using this formula, it becomes very easy to calculate your future value. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let us talk about force of interest. Okay, force of interest means you will be receiving, the interest is going to be chargeable Now let's talk about force of interest. Okay? Your force of interest means basically the interest is going to be chargeable continuously throughout the year. मतलब ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है कि चलो after 5 years after let us say 5 years you receive the interest, after 1 year you receive the interest, you are receiving the interest after every month. Interest will be received every second. It is continuous. Are you understanding? Force of interest means it is applicable continuously throughout the year. That is the meaning of force of interest. Your force of interest is represented by delta, and the accumulation factor is given as e to the power delta. Now for n number of years, all you need to do is multiply the power with n. Okay, so 5 years you multiply e to the power delta into n. I hope it's clear. It becomes very important to make sure you are properly familiar with all the three types of interest. Your simple interest, compound interest, as well as your force of interest. Simple interest is not very commonly used for your numericals, and it is not even very common in your real life problems. Okay? Compound interest is going to be the most common formula that you will be facing in your actuarial exams. Periodically, force of interest also comes for the formulas, but the most common formula that will be occurring literally throughout your financial mathematics especially, okay, it is your compound interest. So make sure you are absolutely thorough with that before you move on to the next session for starting with the numericals.